The tide of digital intelligence has given new vitality to our generation. The interaction between data and intelligence constantly breaks the limitations of time and space. What you never thought of before is now becoming a reality. Dahua Technology constantly adheres to innovative development and open cooperation, establishing the Dahua Think Sharp strategy to create more possibilities for urban digital innovation and digital intelligence transformation of enterprises. We empower cities with digital intelligence to make urban governance more efficient, make urban traffic smoother, travel more convenient, transportation safer, and operation more efficient by using sensing and scenario intelligence, effectively assisting every departure and arrival. Witness the beauty of nature and the growth of life with digital intelligence. Share a colorful world with everyone, and let people live in harmony with nature. Use connectivity and intelligence to detect hidden threats, provide security at all times, and improve prevention capabilities for disasters. Build a bridge between knowledge and classrooms to make educational environments, resources, management, and services more intelligent, and assist in creating an integrated, open, flexible, and intelligent education system. Build connection between people and buildings in order to make the environment more comfortable, work more efficient, and management more intelligent. Shift from traditional to smart manufacturing with visualized production capabilities, reducing cost, increasing efficiency, and stimulating vitality. Enable smart and digital production, help enterprises operate efficiently, and accelerate the upgrading of digital intelligence. With innovation as the core, we have introduced digital intelligence to ensure biological safety, protect the healthy growth of crops, and revitalize traditional agriculture. Dahua Yunrei helps upgrade the digital intelligence of small and medium-sized enterprises, continuously reducing the limitations of digital intelligence and enabling thousands of industries to enjoy the benefits of science and technology. We always adhere to the comprehensive opening of technology, business, and resources, and jointly build a co-construction, win-win, and symbiotic ecosystem with our partners. We believe that innovation has no boundaries. The burgeoning fire of development has been lit, and the new AIoT world is now flourishing. As a world-leading video-centric AIoT solution and service provider, from video surveillance to the field of AIoT, we are firmly committed to our core technology strategies, AIoT and IoT digital intelligence platforms. Constantly utilizing our video-centric 5-fold capabilities that include full sensing, full intelligence, full connection, full computing, and full ecosystem, and leading the development of the industry. We constantly explore fundamental technology research and pursue high product quality. We are both creators and explorers. We have built an advanced smart digital factory of the future with a complete quality system, achieving lean and intelligent manufacturing. We have established a global supply and delivery service network to continuously improve customer experience. We are committed to delivering our corporate social responsibility, leading sustainable development, and making continuous efforts in building a greener and safer digital world.